super cute.
Is our new beautiful red 1x1 cubic feet Galanz microwave. It's so awesome. It's so darn cute. You know, the only problem with it was when we got it, the little like a roller, the roller thing was damaged, which we'll have to like reach out to the support and see if they can help us with that. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like got a little thing in it. But in the meantime, I mean, it looks like we can still use it, which is great. We just reheated a stuffed pepper, and we did 1 minute and then 1 more minute, and it is like piping hot. I tried heating some water in a bowl for 30 seconds, and it was very hot, so we're really pleased. I'm really pleased with it. It's just super cute. It's really easy to use. As you can see, it kind of fits in with our red theme of all our other things in our kind of old style farm kitchen. So excellent.
Mi nuevo microondas, azul totalmente.
Nice little small, just really small though. I didn't know it was gonna be this small. It's really small.
Usman's efforts to